I wish that I can find some monkeys in this area because I was told that the animals tend to gather around in areas near the coast. Good morning YouTube, this is Yan. I am on my longest way back home from Europe to China, and today I am in Kuching Sarawak in Malaysia. And today I'm going to one of the most famous national park in Sarawak, the Bako National Park. So this morning I took a bus from the city center, which cost only 1 ringgit, and then the bus took us to this terminal. From here we're going to take a boat. Bako National Park is the oldest national park in Sarawak. Also here it's the best place for watching the wildlife, and you can see a lot of different monkeys, the famous big-nosed monkey, the silver leaf monkey, a kind of a crab-eating monkey, some lizard and other kinds of animals. And also you can find a lot of different plants, because on this small national park you can find almost every species that you can find on Borneo island. So it's definitely going to be an adventure. Since I want to stay one night, my registration took a bit longer. Oh, that is a boat. Thanks. This is a speedboat, so the boat was really fast, but now we are in a shallow water area, so the boat slowed down. Look at this water. I have the feeling that our boat is not moving at all because the engine sound has changed, and I'm wondering if we got stuck in this shallow water area or not. We have to get into water. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You stay overnight?
Yes, I stay overnight.
Okay. How many nights?
Just one night.
One night.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you call me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Everyone has to walk onto the shore. Oh, those are the running crabs. This national park is so quiet. There are so many running crabs, and I found this. This is a shell. Look, there is a small crab inside. I don't know the name of it, but the nature is so miraculous. And also today we've got very good weather, and now it's the monsoon season, so it rains almost every day, and if it rains the boat ride can be very bumpy, but today, this morning, it is very sunny. This looks like a big scale of a fish. And here there are some small creatures under the earth, and they create beautiful patterns on this beach. if I am lucky enough, I might see this long-tailed macaque. It's a monkey that eat crab, and also silvered leaf monkey, and the most famous Proboscis monkey, the monkey with this big neck. I have booked a bed, and once you arrive, you have to register again at the counter so that they make sure that nobody's lost in this national park.
Today I suggest you to go to this 3 trail,
Yeah.
number 6 and 5. This is the most popular trail here. Number 6, you can go to the beach, but you can't swim because there might be some crocodiles, a stingray or jellyfish. And
Crocodile.
yeah, here we have a crocodile, so no swimming is allowed. I can guarantee
Yeah.
we will spot everything, because this is a wildlife, so quite hard to spot them, so depend on our luck.
My room is number 3. There are altogether 4 beds inside. I booked only 1 bed. And I am the only one so far. It's so cool. Let's check the bathroom. It's quite clean, so not too bad. Oh, there's already animals. Look at this pig. Wow. Ah, a big pig with very long hair, with a beard, and a baby pig. In the jungles, in the tropical area, everything gets so big. Look at this leaf and see how big it is. There is a funny thing here. That's the nest of not the bees, but more like flying ants. It's really a lot of fun hiking in the jungle. You don't need paved road, but you walk across the stones and tree roots. So if I am right, this plant is called the ant plant. This one, which means the ant is living together with the plants. And let me see if there are any ants. Ooh, look. There are so many small ants, and here also there are a lot of ants. This Raffles peacher plant is much bigger than the other ones that I've seen. It's getting really dark right now, and I also can hear the thunder. I think it's going to be raining quite soon. I wish that I can find some monkeys in this area, because I was told that the animals tend to gather around in areas near the coast. There is enough shells, small fishes, crabs, there is plenty of vegetation, and this means there will be enough food for the animals. Alright, let me end my video from here. No more monkeys, unfortunately, but the beautiful seaside. And in the next episode, I'm going to the Bantang Ai National Reserve. Ah, the monkey! After one long day, finally, I see one monkey hiding behind this rock. Who is the monkey? monkeys. That monkey that I've just seen is called long-tailed macaque. They eat small crabs, and that's why I found them here. So my trip is complete. I'm so happy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.